Hello, happy Sunday. Okay, you guys, I have to come clean about something. I work, y'all know I work 2 jobs. One of them I am actually doing, and I got a promotion. Instead of just doing like sales and marketing, I'm actually doing operations now. I'm super excited, but what does that mean for planning? Yes, you've guessed it. It means I went from working my routine to now life is looking different, right? So what I wanted to do today, I actually got one of my followers. She reached out to me. Her name's Victoria, because she saw my videos about the Tyler binder and she had one. And she sold it to me for a killer deal. I am grateful beyond, because quite honestly, the thought that I'd be spending full retail right now with my life the way it is was still just a struggle for me. So guess what I got in the mail? I on purpose did not open it yet so that we can open it together. So I'm gonna open it real quick. It is pre-loved but in brand new condition, okay? So take that into consideration. But we're gonna open it because now, you know what this means is I get to go back into a Tyler binder. I do believe that God does everything with reason and purpose, because now the full focus planner, so they don't come in non-hole punched, the inserts. However, with these new responsibilities, if I don't have a system like the Tyler binder, or like planner, like where there's rings and stuff, y'all, I'm gonna lose my damn mind. So everything happens for a reason. And when this conversation originally started, where she asked if I would like it and then sent me what the cost and stuff would be, the promotion thing was just not there. Like, it wasn't. So everything in its own timing. There's a card. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. So she's also a realtor, which is awesome. I love realtors, because it's a network of people, you guys. Like, I love knowing people in other states, because when I have friends and family or anybody looking in another state, and any of y'all that are following me, if you were ever looking to buy or sell a house in another state, feel free to come to me first, because chances are I know someone in that state and I am happy to do a referral for you guys. That way you are not just having to like, who am I gonna find? You'll actually be able to find someone. It says, Sam, I'm glad that we were able to connect. Enjoy the Tyler binder. I'm glad that it's getting put to good use. Best, Victoria. So there you go. I will make sure also to put her contact information in my description, in case you live in her state. Okay, so I've got that. Of course, she wrapped it in cutesy, and I laughed when I picked it up out of the mailbox today. It's been in there for a couple days, but our temperatures were fine, where I knew the binder wouldn't be compromised. But because I saw Erin Condren, I'm like, I love other planner people, because other planner people, we tend to wrap things up and planner things out of just because we have those things truly laying around. So yes, she was correct. It is gorgeous. My happiness. You guys, happiness. Find joy in the small things. This is a big thing, right? Oh my God, the zipper's awesome. She added some extra inserts for me too. So I've got some paper. I've got some inserts. It's got the page protectors right here. The pockets aren't stretched out, you guys. The rings, you know how I love my black rings. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna be hopping into this thing. It's got some plastic inserts, business card holders, credit card holders. I am thrilled. Thank you, Victoria. I am so excited. And for you guys, I will be getting all my inserts this week, putting them in, and I will make sure to do a video. My intention right now is, because I still have the full focus planner, that's the bound one, I'm gonna look at how I can cut out the sheets and then tape them on blank paper for now to get me through at least the remainder of this year, because I'll need to buy 2024 inserts. So we won't start those till January. But in the meantime, this is my new way of doing things. It's going back to my initial way, and I'm very excited. So I see you, I love you, you matter to me, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.